Remember these tips to ensure your frame assembly goes smoothly. Orient the frames right side up prior to installation. Make sure that each panel is matched to the appropriate frame. Do not remove any labels until after all shutters are installed. Inside mount frames include L-frame, deluxe trim frame, bullnose Z-frame, Z-frame, trim sill frame, and bullnose Z sill frame. Lay your frames out according to the labels located on each frame piece. Starting with the top and bottom frames, insert your corner keys into each end of the frames. Align the top frame with the side frames and slide the side frames onto the corner keys. Tap with a rubber mallet hammer to secure. Repeat the previous steps for the bottom frame. If needed, glue the corner keys into place to hold corners tight. Use a gel bond multi-purpose bonding glue. Apply glue to the interior of the frame, then insert the corner key. Hold until dry. L and Z frames do not have supplemental L brackets to secure the corners. The remaining inside mount frames will be supplied with metal L brackets. These brackets will be used to ensure the corners are tight. Position the assembled frame upside down. Set a bracket into the groove on the back of the frame flange. Using the two holes closest to the corner of the bracket, set the first screw through the bracket into the frame using the screw indicator line as a locating guide. Offset this screw in the hole away from the corner. This will force the frame corner tight. The remaining screw will be placed in the corresponding hole in a similar fashion. However, this screw will be angled to allow for the screw to pull the frame tightly together when inserted.